My dear friends, we in the Lions Club are habituated of serving the community, serving the people. हमने लोगों का सर्विस करना, it's one of the pillars we call it, कि लोगों की हमने सर्विस करनी ही है. हम सर्विस जो करते हैं जनरली माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, उसमें हम लोग क्या करते हैं कि कभी कभी हमारे पास वी हैव ए मनी इन द क्लब एंड वी ऑलवेज से कि हम लोगों ने सर्विस करनी है, तो हम लोग जाके वी जस्ट ब्लाइंडली डू द सर्विस whether they really require it या no. अगर उनको जरूरत पड़ती है तो इट इज वेरी गुड, उनको अगर जरूरत नहीं पड़ती फिर भी हम लोग करते हैं. बट माय डियर फ्रेंड, आई हैव सीन सो मेनी क्लब्स डूइंग सर्विस blindly. They go at school, they may require it books and we try to give it something else. They may require it a projector and we may try to give it books. So इसीलिए the Lions Club, it's always better we have to go for the and assess the needs of the community. My dear friends, उसको हम कैसा करते हैं? How do we assess the needs of the community or of a particular thing? सबसे पहले my dear friends, we have to form a community. We have to form a club community. A club, we have to appoint a chairman of the club and the assessment committee we have to form in a club. उनका जो role रहेगा, it is just to identify and assemble and diverse community team. Their role will be to go to a particular area and go for the assessment. What exactly they require it? उनकी क्या जरूरत है? That is very important, my dear friends. Then we have to go for the needs of the assessment. These particular area में what exactly they require it? उनकी जो assessment की जरूरत है, whether they require it a medical camp, if they require it a medical camp, it should be for eye, it should be for orthopedic, it should be for the children. Everything we have to survey it and study it. Then, my dear friend, we have to review and rate the data. Whatever we could get it, the committee which is formed with the chairman and GST person and the president, they form a committee. जो भी we get a report, we have to really go and review it. कि what is exactly we can do? Do we have a money for this particular budget? Do we have the budget for doing this activity? Is it possible for us to do this activity? Is it possible for us to spend so many manpowers? And then we have to record and review consolidated data. We have to make it a sheet. So we have to say which person will do which activity, which person will go and bring in which need to the community, which person is going to coordinate with the team of doing it. And then lastly, my dear friend, we have to go and develop the community action plan. This is very important. How practically we are going to do this particular thing. Suppose we are going for a medical camp. One person will be in charge for coordinating in the community and telling them that we are coming on so and so date and for so and so project, and we want the people to come. The people should be present there. I've seen in so many clubs, we call it a hunger relief project. We do hunger relief in some one particular place, and after that we call the people, please come, आप आइए और हमारे पास lunch करके जाइए. That is not a correct thing. We should always go whether they really require it lunch, whether they require it a medical camp, and that's how we have to develop a community action plan. My dear friends, ये करते करते we have to always see what exactly is the budget, what exactly is the money required for these particular need of the community, and ये जो action हम community पर जा रहे हैं, is it feasible for our club? And no. And now we come for the next point, fundraising, my dear friends. Fundraising is very important, a very, very important subject for the club. Basically, my dear friend, fundraising का मतलब क्या होता है? To get money. Our obligation in the Lions Club is just to clear our dues, clear our fees. And to get the extra money for the service project, we have to go for the fundraising. What is fundraising? It is defined as the process of soliciting financial support for a cause and is an essential way for any non-government organization to bring in revenue for the organization's mission. This service के लिए जो पैसा लाते हैं, basically, my dear friend, in my club, I'll tell you, we collect a fees, administrative fee, plus we also collect money to a certain extent for doing the service projects. We collect about 2,000 rupees per person, which money we are giving it for doing the service activity, and this money के लिए the president has got total hold. वो जो चाहे service कर सकता है इसके अंदर, even without getting approved from the board. But there are certain projects coming up. We want to do certain activity in a particular place which costs us about 25,000 extra. Then how do we go? That is what we call go for the fundraising. The basic first fundraising for the club is with its own members. उनके लोगों के पास we have to go our own members के पास जाके what exactly they're doing it. Are they giving any donation? Are they giving it any money for the activity? Now, how funds can be raised for a club? This is a very important subject. The first is on the right side, you can see government and foreign grants. The government and foreign grants, my dear friend, the government has got lots of grants. Foreign clubs have also grown, foreign people have also got lots of grants. How do we apply? Our in own LCIF, we apply for a grant. We apply for a grant in LCIF and we get the grant in LCI also. We have got lots of grant in this government grant, we have to apply for it. So this government and foreign grants, we have to apply and we have to take it. The next is non-profit website development. We see lots of people are developing it આજકાલ website for a particular cause. This non-profit website development is only for a particular cause. It cannot be for a generalized key. We want to money for our service project. It cannot be done for that. For a particular thing, suppose you see a child cancer and we have to give him some money. So we can always go for a non-profit website development. There are so many organizations. Keto.org is one of the organizations which gets money for this. Then the third is, we can see in some supermarkets, in some public places, we place a donation box, and the people come and contribute. Here we can make it a generalized thing. Lions Club requires money for its service activities. We don't specify service activity. Then the box can be 10, and the people, they come and contribute in the box willingly on their own, 100 rupees, 200 rupees, depending on their capacity, 300 rupees, 400 rupees, another thing. The next is utilize digital marketing. You see, nowadays, lots of digital marketing ideas have been given. How do we raise a fund? Digital games have been organized, lots of way things that we organize. जो चाहिए हमको पैसे चाहिए, digital way में we are getting it. Then it's charity event, my dear friend. It's a very big, very successful thing. But here the public has to come with a charity event. We usually organize, we have seen it, many clubs are organizing Tambola, they're organizing it Star Night. Here we sell the ticket, we sell the donor passes, and we see that the people coming to this charity thing, they always go for the donor passes, they buy the ticket, and this also can be openly. We require so much money for our service projects. In case we don't specify the smaller service project also, it's okay. We can say, हमको इतना पैसा चाहिए हमारे service project के लिए. So we can go. And this is one of the most popular things we were doing it till now. Before this COVID-19 we used to do, but now we have to only go for the digital marketing and other things. My dear friends, another very important thing is we accept the fund instead of the birthday gift. किसी का birthday होता है, usually we go and give a gift. In the Lions Club, we have got a habit of giving it mementos, we giving it return gift to the people, dignitaries who come. We can always give them certain small amounts or certain amounts to them. And these amounts can be clubbed together and this can be accepted a fund for a particular service project. Fundraising by product selling. It's a modern day concept, my dear friend. Recently, I was told in one of the JC's one of the JC's club has, they have sold articles for 50,000 rupees. They have taken the article, either they have purchased the articles or they have taken the articles through donation or contribution from certain companies and certain shops. And they have sold the articles at a little less than the market rate by auctioning the product. And they could raise about a few lakhs rupees. 50,000 was the cost of the project. 50,000 was the cost the JCs are planning to spend. But they have sold many things. Few lakhs were collected by this. It's a very modern concept. I think the people should go. And other is institutional funds. This is nothing but the CSR activities. CSR, every company has got CSR. So we can get it from them. So this is some of the things how the funds can be raised. How do we plan a fundraising? The first it should be a very objective. The object should be very, very clear. It's fundraising is nothing but a face value of a person who's collecting the funds. People give funds on the face value. At Bhima Jagni Sahib suppose wants to collect people, automatically they'll go, Bhima Jagni Sahib wants to collect a fund. Yes, we are going to give it. So objective should be very, very clear. What exactly you require it, what is the purpose of fundraising. Be specific. You have to be very specific. Why exactly do you require the fund? Exactly. हमको ये प्रोजेक्ट के लिए हमको इसको देने के लिए इतना पैसा चाहिए. Be specific. The quantum of the fund required. कितना पैसा चाहिए? How much money we want? You want it 50,000, you want it 1 lakh, everything should be very, very clear. Then we have to plan the fundraising. जो मैंने पहले slide में आपको I've shown you, we have to plan as per that. What exactly we have to go for the fundraising? Do we go for an event? Do we go for a website development? Do we ask our own members? करते हुए then we have to raise the funds. फिर हमको funds raise करना है. By going to that, we'll get a funds. My dear friend, after this, we have to send the funds you have received, the funds you have utilized. then you send a gratitude note to the people who have given you money. In case the people have given you big money, the people are known people, please give them a gratitude note. And uske baad mein, my dear friend, present statement of accounts to all. That is very important for you making your successful fundraising. The people should have really faith in the person who's collecting the fund. Yes, we have collected so much fund and this is the account we have given it. These are some of the sample flyers. A flyer should be so attractive. You can see on your screen. Something like this, the flyer should be there. A flyers jo rehta hai, it's very important thing. It attracts at the first sight. People, the attraction flyer, the attractive purpose of doing it will be always getting good money. And after the funds have come, please write a thank you letter to the donors. Remind your donors of the good things their donation always allows you to do. Please tell the donors कि आपने जो पैसा दिया है, the money which is contributed by you has gone for the right purpose and for the right cause. Your donation has gone for a particular child's cancer support. It's a very good thing we have done it. Send your donation thank you letter as soon as possible. Immediately after your object is fulfilled or your goal is achieved or your purpose is solved, send them the donation letter. Don't wait. Don't wait extraordinary time. I'll send it later. Immediately send them. It should be very attractive thank you letter. Focus on saying thank you. Don't ask for another donation right now. Usually हमने क्या देखा है कि generally a person he gives a donation, immediately next day or day after tomorrow or day after that we come back with another project. Sir, please आपने last time दिया था दीजिए. Don't do all the thing. Your project will get you money. Just focus on saying thank you. Don't ask for another donation right now. Make thank you a note very personal. Please address the letter for the bigger contribution by name. Thank you, line so and so. Thank you, Mr. So and so. We are so happy that we have received your money. Your money has solved. It should be a very personal, very, very personal letter. Don't make it a to whomsoever it may concern. आपका पैसा दिया हमने use किया. Give special recognition to your recurring donors. There will be certain donors who keep on giving it again and again, again and again. They have got their philanthropies. They'll be giving it. अभी आज दिया, tomorrow they'll give you. उनको very special recognition कीजिए उनको. It's very important. And after, my dear friend, please keep your thank you notes very, very short. Very, very short should be your thank you notes. I think my fundraising chapter is over. Any questions you have, you can always WhatsApp me on my personal number. You can always tell me कि क्या चाहिए आपको. Will surely try to help you.